coffee lovers! Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the best in coffee gear and brewing tips. Are you ready to transform your home coffee experience? Today, we're exploring two amazing espresso machines that will take your coffee game to the next level. The Dedica EC6IEDUMEM and the Nespresso Virtuo Plus Deluxe. Stick around because you don't want to miss out on this caffeinated journey. First up, we have the Dedica EC6IEDUMEM. This sleek, stainless steel beauty is not just about looks, it's packed with features to make your espresso dreams come true. Imagine starting your day with a cafe-quality espresso made right in your kitchen.
Product review: Italian design, slim 6-inch wide Dedica espresso machine adds minimalist chic. High performance, 15-bar pressure with adjustable controls for personalized taste. Milk frother, manual frother for rich, creamy froth. Pro brewing, full control over the brewing process. Fits up to 5-inch cups/mugs. Easy to clean, removable, dishwasher safe water tank and drip tray.
Next, we have the Nespresso Virtuo Plus Deluxe. This machine is perfect for those who love the convenience of pods without sacrificing quality. How about a perfectly brewed coffee at the push of a button? Sounds amazing, right?
Product review: versatile, makes coffee and espresso in various sizes. Smart, centrifusion technology ensures perfect brew and crema. Single serve, one-button barista-grade coffee and espresso. Features: 60 ounces water tank, 17 used capsule capacity, 15-second heat up. Milk frother, includes Cappucino 3 for hot or cold milk froth.
Thanks for watching, coffee lovers. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more coffee tips and reviews. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Let us know in the comments which machine you'd love to try. And as always, happy brewing!